What's up, everybody? Long time no see, but we're replacing the water pump and the radiator on this 2500 Silverado. And just a quick trick, if you're having trouble getting the fan clutch off, get you a pipe wrench, stick it in there and wedge it between that and the pump, and then get you a big crescent wrench, or I think it's a 36, and come in there, get on that, and then you either need a big pipe usually, or you could just take the hammer like I did. Pow! Oh, missed it. Pow! And there you go. It'll knock it right free. Quick little tip. Hope that helps you. Subscribe and stay tuned for more. Yeah.